Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Kellogg wooden wall crank telephone. This is Gerald's equipment from Alabama, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done. We're going to be converting this unit into a working telephone. We also need to install a circuit that we design and build here at the shop that allows you to walk up to the telephone, crank the original magneto, and ring the original bells, but not backfeed any voltage into the telephone line, and yet when you get a call, the original bells will ring. We also need to install a modular line port so that Gerald can walk up to this telephone, plug in any length, any color line cord he chooses, plug right into the modular port, makes for a simple, easy plug-and-play connection. Now we need to troubleshoot the magneto. We want to troubleshoot the solenoids for the bells. Now we know that one of the coils for the solenoids for the bells, the wire is broke and it is starting to come unraveled. So we want to go through that coil and make sure that it's repairable. We also want to go through the hook switch, the receiver, and the transmitter, and we want to replace the receiver capsule cloth cord. Now we're also going to be installing an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, so it will have plenty of transmit power, and it is a high quality transmitter. Now the receiver capsule is the old diaphragm style. We're going to troubleshoot that, and if we can get enough audio out of that receiver capsule, we'll go ahead and utilize it in the conversion. If not, we will have to upgrade the receiver capsule. So basically everything will be troubleshooted and worked on, and if need be, repaired or converted. We're going to go ahead and do some still pictures of this really cool telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing and converting process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool Kellogg wooden wall crank telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to go through a little bit about what went on. We went ahead and troubleshooted the magneto, and that needed to be repaired. We also troubleshooted the coil on the solenoid for the bells, and that was also repaired. We installed the circuit that we design and build here at the shop that allows you to crank the original magneto and ring the original bells, but not backfeed any voltage into the telephone line, and yet when you get a call, the original bells will ring. We installed an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, and the electronic amplified transmitter has a high quality transmit power. We also had to upgrade the receiver capsule. We were not getting the audio that we needed, and so the receiver capsule was upgraded. We also installed a cloth cord for the receiver. We installed our modular line port so that you can simply bring in any length, any color line cord that you choose and plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We had to rewire this unit the way we wanted it wired to work the way we wanted it to work. We went through the hook switch, that was taken care of. So we went through the entire telephone and all the issues were repaired and converted. Now we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we can do is crank the magneto and ring the original bells. So we'll start that. Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to hang our hook switch up to cause dial tone to go away on the analyzer, and we're going to go ahead and transmit. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. We'll use a tone dialer.
To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Friday, February 23rd. The current time, 12:31 a.m. and the temperature, 41 degrees.
We'll go ahead and hang our receiver capsule up. Now that we know that this really cool Kellogg wooden wall crank telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Gerald and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.